If you're over 60 and find yourself wide awake at 2 or 3 a.m., tossing and turning despite trying melatonin, herbal teas, or even prescription sleep aids, you're not alone. Many people assume restless nights are just part of getting older, but the truth is, your body is trying to tell you something. Hormones shift, stress builds quietly during the day, and even small imbalances can make it nearly impossible to fall or stay asleep. It's frustrating, exhausting, and can leave you feeling like your energy, focus, and motivation are slipping away. The good news is, there are gentle, natural ways to support your sleep without relying solely on pills. Certain combinations of foods can actually encourage your body to relax, signal your brain that it's time for rest, and help you experience deeper, more restorative sleep. These aren't exotic or expensive remedies. They're simple, practical, and backed by both science and centuries of traditional wisdom. You may already have some of them in your kitchen right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 3 specific food combinations that work together to calm your nervous system, increase sleep-promoting nutrients, and help you wake up feeling refreshed instead of groggy. Each one has been studied for its effect on sleep quality and overall well-being, and, when used consistently, they can make a noticeable difference. Before we dive in, think about this. Have you ever felt wide awake, staring at the ceiling, even after trying everything from chamomile tea to melatonin? Imagine finally discovering a small, simple change that lets your body do what it's designed to do, sleep deeply, restore fully, and greet each morning with energy you thought was gone. Food combo number 3 brings together 3 simple ingredients that, when combined, create a gentle yet powerful sleep-supporting ritual: chamomile tea, honey, and almonds. Each plays a unique role in calming the body, soothing the mind, and preparing you for restorative rest, and together they work harmoniously to address common sleep challenges faced after 60. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural relaxant, and modern research confirms its ability to support sleep. Its flavonoids interact with receptors in the brain that reduce anxiety, helping to quiet the restless thoughts that often keep you awake long after the house has gone silent. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, a warm mug in your hands, the soft aroma of chamomile rising, as the tension of the day begins to dissolve with each breath. Adding a teaspoon of honey is more than just a touch of sweetness. Honey provides a gentle, slow release of glucose into the bloodstream, which can help prevent the spikes and drops in blood sugar that sometimes disrupt sleep. This subtle effect signals to your body that it is safe to rest, helping your nervous system shift naturally toward relaxation. It's a reminder that sleep is not just a passive state, but a carefully orchestrated process influenced by small, deliberate choices you make in the evening. Paired with chamomile, honey enhances the sense of comfort and ritual, turning a simple bedtime routine into a nurturing act for your body and mind. Do you prefer your chamomile plain, or with honey for that gentle sweetness? Both options provide benefits, but combining them can create a richer sensory experience that feels indulgent yet purposeful. Almonds complete this trio, offering more than just a satisfying crunch. They are a natural source of magnesium, a mineral critical for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that signals your brain to slow down. Almonds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, key regulators of the sleep-wake cycle. A small handful in the evening can gently nudge your system toward readiness for sleep without causing digestive discomfort or excess calories. Imagine sprinkling a few almonds into a small dish, the texture and mild flavor complementing the warmth of your tea, creating a multi-sensory cue that your body begins to recognize as bedtime. The combined effect of chamomile, honey, and almonds is both calming and functional, while chamomile addresses the mental component of sleep, reducing evening anxiety and racing thoughts. Honey stabilizes energy levels and supports metabolic balance. Almonds contribute essential nutrients that your body needs to physically relax. Together, they help ease digestion, calm the nervous system, and provide subtle biochemical signals that tell your body it's safe to enter deep, restorative sleep. For many people, establishing a simple, repeatable routine like this creates a sense of control over sleep, especially when other methods, like over-the-counter sleep aids or herbal teas alone, haven't worked as reliably. Preparing this combination is straightforward. Brew a cup of chamomile tea, allowing the flowers to steep for 3 to 5 minutes so the full range of flavonoids infuses into the water. Stir in a teaspoon of honey to taste, letting it melt slowly into the warm liquid, carrying both sweetness and calming properties. Keep the tea warm and sip it mindfully, noticing the gentle aroma and the comforting heat. Pair it with a small handful of raw or lightly roasted almonds, eaten slowly so your body can register the nutrients in the act of nourishment. This isn't a hurried snack. It's a deliberate, relaxing ritual that signals the transition from wakefulness to rest. Research supports the benefits of each component. Studies have shown that chamomile extract can improve sleep quality in older adults by reducing nighttime awakenings. Magnesium intake has been linked to improved sleep efficiency and duration, while tryptophan-rich foods like almonds can support melatonin production. By combining these elements in a single, easy-to-prepare ritual, you address multiple aspects of sleep simultaneously: mental relaxation, metabolic stability, and nutrient support. Over time, repeating this routine nightly can strengthen your body's internal cues for sleep, helping you reclaim the restorative rest that is so often elusive in later years. Imagine ending your day with this comforting ritual: the warmth of the tea, the mild sweetness of honey, and the satisfying crunch of almonds. Your thoughts begin to settle, your muscles release tension, and a sense of calm spreads through your body. Sleep no longer feels like a distant hope or a struggle against your own biology. It becomes a natural, achievable state that you actively nurture with care and intention. With food combo number 3, you are not just consuming ingredients, you are creating an evening practice that honors your body, supports your mind, and invites deep, healing rest. This simple trio may be the small but powerful change that transforms your nights and restores the energy, focus, and vitality you deserve. Food combo number 2 pairs 2 simple, widely available foods that work quietly but powerfully to support sleep: kiwi and walnuts. Each brings unique nutrients that gently guide your body toward rest while addressing the disruptions that often come with age. Kiwi is a small fruit packed with serotonin precursors, the natural chemical your brain uses to regulate mood and sleep. It also contains vitamin C, which supports your adrenal system and helps reduce stress hormones that can keep you awake. By including kiwi in your evening routine, you provide your body with the tools it needs to signal that it's time to wind down, calming your mind and preparing your nervous system for rest. Imagine slicing a vibrant green kiwi, the sweet tart aroma filling the kitchen, and feeling a subtle sense of calm as you savor each bite, knowing that this simple action is actively helping your body prepare for restorative sleep. Walnuts complement kiwi perfectly. They are a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and help regulate inflammation that can disrupt sleep. Walnuts also contain melatonin, the hormone that directs your sleep-wake cycle, and gentle anti-inflammatory compounds that ease the body's tension accumulated during the day. This combination is more than just a snack. It's a strategic, nutrient-rich pairing that addresses multiple aspects of sleep simultaneously. Research has shown that both omega-3s and melatonin can reduce the frequency of middle-of-the-night awakenings and improve overall sleep quality, making walnuts a practical, science-backed addition to your nightly routine. To benefit most from this combo, try eating 1 to 2 kiwis alongside a small handful of walnuts 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This timing allows your body to absorb the key nutrients and begin the processes that support relaxation and circadian rhythm regulation. The act of preparing this snack also serves as a gentle signal to your brain: the day is ending, and it's time to rest. Picture yourself sitting at the table, enjoying the soft sweetness of kiwi and the satisfying crunch of walnuts, your body naturally beginning to slow down, your thoughts settling into a calmer rhythm, and your muscles releasing the tension of the day. It's a small, manageable ritual that can have a surprisingly profound impact over time. Scientific studies reinforce the effectiveness of this combination. Trials have found that regular consumption of kiwi improved total sleep time and efficiency in older adults, likely due to its serotonin and antioxidant content. Similarly, research on walnuts has linked higher omega-3 intake with more stable sleep patterns and increased melatonin levels. Together, these foods help restore the natural signals your body may be missing, creating an environment for deeper, more restorative sleep without relying on medication. By integrating this simple, achievable habit, you take control over a process that often feels frustrating and unpredictable, empowering yourself to reclaim restful nights and energized mornings. Beyond the nutrients, the sensory experience itself reinforces relaxation. The sweetness and juiciness of kiwi, combined with the rich, earthy flavor of walnuts, provide a comforting, mindful moment that separates the hectic pace of your day from the calm of evening. This combination not only supports your physical ability to sleep, but also creates a psychological cue, training your mind to recognize these foods as part of a nightly wind down routine. Over time, your body begins to anticipate rest when you reach for this pairing, making it easier to transition from wakefulness to sleep without resistance or anxiety. Have you ever tried walnuts or kiwi before bed? Which one surprised you the most with its effect on your sleep? Even small changes, like adding this combo consistently, can shift your nights from restless and fragmented to calm and restorative. This is not about perfection or strict rules. It's about providing your body with the gentle, practical support it needs and reclaiming a sense of control over your evenings. Food combo number 2 is simple, natural, and achievable, yet the impact on your sleep can be significant when practiced regularly. By pairing kiwi and walnuts, you are addressing both the mental and physical factors that influence sleep. Kiwi helps relax the mind and regulate mood through serotonin, while walnuts nourish your body and support melatonin production, reducing the chances of waking up in the middle of the night. Together, they create a balanced, holistic approach that is easy to adopt, enjoyable to consume, and backed by research. This combination is a reminder that small, thoughtful choices can create meaningful changes, restoring both energy and confidence in your ability to sleep deeply and wake up refreshed. As the evening progresses, imagine feeling calmer and more relaxed, knowing that your body is naturally preparing for sleep. The anticipation of rest replaces worry, tension softens, and your internal clock begins to reset itself gently. With food combo number 2, you are not only nourishing your body, but also reclaiming your nights, one small, intentional choice at a time. This is the kind of simple yet powerful change that empowers you to take charge of your sleep and, ultimately, your overall health. Food combo number 1 is the final and most potent combination in our countdown, designed to support deep restorative sleep for anyone over 60. This pairing brings together low-fat Greek yogurt and fresh blueberries, creating a balance of nutrients that both calm the mind and nourish the body. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and contains tryptophan, an amino acid that your brain converts into serotonin and melatonin, the key chemicals that regulate mood and sleep. By providing this natural building block for sleep, yogurt helps your body transition more smoothly from wakefulness to rest. The creamy texture and gentle tang of yogurt also make it easy to digest, so it won't weigh down your stomach late at night. Picture yourself spooning a smooth, slightly thick yogurt into a small bowl, feeling the cool texture settle in your mouth, while knowing that each bite is helping your body signal it's time to relax. Blueberries complement this perfectly, offering a burst of flavor along with powerful antioxidants and anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation and support blood sugar stability. Stable blood sugar in the evening is crucial for preventing those middle-of-the-night awakenings that so many seniors experience. The fiber in blueberries also promotes gut health, which is increasingly recognized as an important factor in sleep quality. Research shows that a healthy gut microbiome influences the production of serotonin, reinforcing the brain's natural ability to regulate sleep. Combining blueberries with Greek yogurt creates a synergy of nutrients that stabilizes energy, supports mental calmness, and encourages deep, restorative sleep. Imagine the tiny, juicy berries bursting softly as you bite into them, their natural sweetness enhancing the tang of yogurt and turning a simple snack into a comforting, mindful ritual that your body begins to associate with bedtime. This combo is particularly effective for seniors because it addresses multiple age-related sleep challenges at once. As we get older, melatonin production often declines, digestive sensitivity can increase, and inflammation can interfere with restful sleep. Greek yogurt provides tryptophan and protein to promote relaxation and muscle repair, while blueberries counteract inflammation and support blood sugar balance. Together, they help restore the natural rhythms that often get disrupted with age, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. By choosing familiar, easy-to-access foods, this combo removes complexity from your routine and replaces it with a simple, repeatable habit that yields real benefits. To make this part of your nightly routine, prepare a small bowl of low-fat Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh blueberries about 2 to 3 hours before bed. This timing allows your body to absorb the nutrients and begin the calming processes needed for rest. If you want to enhance the experience, consider sprinkling a small amount of flaxseed for extra fiber and omega-3s, or a dash of cinnamon to support blood sugar regulation and add a warm, comforting aroma. The act of preparing this snack itself becomes a signal to your body that the day is ending and rest is approaching. Each sensory element, the creamy yogurt, the sweet tart berries, the faint aroma of cinnamon, reinforces relaxation and helps shift your mind and body towards sleep. Scientific evidence supports the effectiveness of this combination. Studies have shown that tryptophan rich foods like yogurt can improve sleep onset and duration, while antioxidants in blueberries reduce oxidative stress and support healthy circadian rhythms. Research on the gut brain axis also highlights how fiber and probiotics can influence serotonin production, reinforcing your body's natural sleep wake cycle. By integrating these foods into a nightly habit, you are not only nourishing your body, but actively enhancing your ability to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. Which combo do you think you'll try first? Or will you experiment with all three over the next week? Incorporating food combo number 1 into your evenings is simple, enjoyable, and highly effective. It empowers you to take control over sleep in a gentle, achievable way, replacing frustration with confidence and restoring the sense of renewal that comes with truly restorative rest. Over time, this combination can transform your nights, making deep sleep a natural, predictable part of your life rather than an elusive hope. With low-fat Greek yogurt and blueberries, you are giving your body the support it needs to relax, repair, and rejuvenate, reclaiming energy and vitality one night at a time. Now that we've explored all three food combos, it's clear that small, intentional choices can have a big impact on your sleep. Low-fat Greek yogurt with blueberries helps calm the mind, stabilize blood sugar, and support gut-brain signaling for deeper rest. Kiwi paired with walnuts encourages serotonin and melatonin production, reduces inflammation, and gently regulates your circadian rhythm. Chamomile tea with honey and almonds relaxes the nervous system, eases digestion, and provides magnesium and tryptophan to prepare your body for restorative sleep. Each of these combinations targets different aspects of rest, and together they offer practical science-backed ways to reclaim peaceful nights. The key is to focus on manageable steps rather than trying to overhaul your entire evening routine at once. You don't need to do everything immediately. Start with one combo, notice how your body responds over several nights, and gradually explore the others. These are familiar, safe, and comforting foods, so adding them to your routine is both simple and enjoyable. Over time, consistent small changes build powerful results, helping you fall asleep more easily, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. I'd love to hear from you. Which combo will you try first, and how does it affect your sleep? Share your experiences in the comments. Tell us your favorite pairings, and subscribe for more natural, practical tips to support your rest. Remember, better nights lead to brighter mornings, and every small step you take toward nurturing your sleep is a step toward a healthier, more vibrant life. You have the tools, and now it's time to use them to transform your nights and reclaim the energy you deserve.